guys, welcome to my channel. It's Madis here. So today I'm going to make this small portable Bluetooth speaker, and if you want more tutorial videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. And few days ago I made this big Bluetooth speaker. If you want, you can check out that video, link in the description box below. So let's start the build. You need these components to make your Bluetooth speaker, and you can buy these things from online or offline store. Some online buying links are in the description box. First thing you need is a speaker, and you can use one or two speaker according to your design. I only use a 1.5 inch speaker and a 2-inch speaker. The speakers are cost around 100 to 300 rupees according to their sound quality. Obviously, you need an audio amplifier circuit, and it's a PAM 8403 5 plus 5 watt audio amplifier circuit, and these are cost around 60 rupees. It's a Bluetooth module to make your speaker wireless, and you can use this. This circuit is cost around 60 rupees, or you can use this kind of circuit. I removed this from a old Bluetooth headphone which is not working, and you can use them to make your speaker. And obviously you need a charging module to charge your batteries, and it's a TP4056 charging module. These are cost around 100 rupees. Although I gonna use this cell phone charge protection circuit for this box, and it's a lithium ion 18650 cells recycled from old laptop batteries. Check out my previous power bank build video to know more about how to remove these batteries from laptop batteries, link in the description obviously. And you need a on off switch. You can use any kind of switch. Let's have a look at the connection diagram. So it's a charging module, battery, Bluetooth module, amplifier circuit, and your switch. And as you can see that every pin is written here, left, ground, right, so you don't have to worry about that. So in amplifier circuit you can find left, ground, right, and on Bluetooth module you can find same left, ground, right. You just have to connect them together. This amplifier is a bit bass heavy, and cheap speakers can't handle that much bass on full volume. So you can use two ceramic capacitors, and the number is 2A473K. These are 47 nanofarad capacitors. You just have to connect them in series. I mean, just like this, and connect it here instead of this wire. Just connect them in series and connect it here instead of this wire. That's it. And you just have to do it on left and right side. Leave the ground. In both circuits you can find positive and negative, positive and negative. These are the battery supply, positive and negative. And as you can see, the negative lead is directly connected with the charging circuit, and the positive lead is also connected with the charging circuit via this switch. This switch is going to turn on and off these circuits, and the battery is also connected with the charging circuit. And it's not just a charging circuit, it's the overall battery protection system. That's why I recommend you to use this circuit. And when something gets shorted or when the battery is over discharged, this circuit is going to cut off the battery. I mean, cut off the system to protect your battery. So use these circuits. This circuit is going to save your battery. And if you are going to use this kind of circuits from old headphones, you can find this B plus, B minus, and some other points. Other points are speaker wires. I mean, this input wires, and this B plus and B minus are simply positive and negative for this Bluetooth module. So you can use these circuits. So after all connections, you just have to connect two speakers in this amplifier output and your Bluetooth speaker is ready. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna use this battery protection circuit instead of this one. This one have a micro USB port for charging input, but this one don't have that. So I have to connect a micro USB port separately for the charging input, and that's alright for me. So let's start the build. I already cut these plyodes and let's glue them together. I make a slot for this switch in one side of the box. You can do same. Generally these speakers have screw holes, but I don't know why I cut them. I'm gonna glue the speakers on this front panel, and that also makes a perfect seal. Speakers are installed, and as I mentioned before, I'm gonna use a separate micro USB port cause this circuit don't have that. I make a slot for this micro USB port and it fits just perfectly. I'm gonna glue this port. So TP4056 module have charging and discharging indicator, but my circuit don't have that. So I'm gonna add some blue and red LEDs for charging indicator and on-off indication. So let's solder them. So the speaker is ready and I add some screws in the front panel. Let's check it. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.